Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Azure gaming video, and today we're going to talk about Android apps on Windows 11. So, what's up? Windows 11 live stream event around the 35-minute mark, they revealed that Android apps will be integrated into the ecosystem itself. So why should we be excited? For a gamer like me who plays mobile games on the PC via emulator like BlueStacks, Memu Emulator, LD Player, and other emulators, this is very exciting news. Potentially, we would no longer need an emulator to play our favorite mobile games on PC. So as a content creator, it'll be easier to capture footage and avoid crashes when streaming mobile games via PC. I've came across multiple instances when I was streaming and then the emulator just crashed and I had to restart the emulator and I wasn't doing anything in the stream. So this will be really helpful since the app will be native running in Windows 11. So here are some details. Microsoft says they developed a Windows subsystem for Android, WSA. So that's similar to the Windows subsystem for Linux, already present in Windows 10. So we can run Linux in Windows 10 natively. So this is going to be similar, but for Android. So Android apps run in a virtual machine, which provides compatibility with the AOSP framework, and devices like keyboards, mice, touch, pen, and Bluetooth headsets for audio are compatible. So I'm assuming game pads are also compatible. So we can play our mobile games on Windows 11 using controller, possibly DS4, DS5, Xbox controller, and other third-party controllers. So this is going to be nice. And also the arrival of Android apps on Windows is clearly aimed at taking on Apple's recent integration of iOS and iPadOS apps and macOS. So Apple can iOS apps and iPadOS apps can be played now in iOS and in macOS. So this is their version of it, but there is a caveat. So we're gonna talk about that. So what's a catch? Well, the only downside to it is that apps are limited to the Amazon App Store for now. So there was no mention of Google Play Store integration. So what's the upside? The upside is that it is cheaper to buy in-game items and games using Amazon coins from the App Store. You can save up to 10 to 20% on your purchases using Amazon coins. So kind of bad news there. Only limited to Amazon App Store apps, so limited on the gacha games that are on the Amazon App Store. But FFP and War of the Visions FFPE is already on the App Store, so that's good news for players who play those games. But for other games such as Counterside, Alchemy Stars, Princess Connect, so those aren't on the Amazon store as of now, so they might open up when it's already on Windows. Developers might actually migrate their apps to Amazon store. We don't really know, but that's the downside there. There's no Google Play Store connectivity yet. Alright, so if you didn't know already, this video is sponsored by Amazon Coins. Get 10,000 Amazon Coins for $80 instead of $100. That's a savings of 20%. You can use the Amazon Coins to buy Lapis for FFPE. I placed a link in the description below. Check it out after you watch the video. So more importantly, you can play Final Fantasy Brave Exvius and War of the Visions Brave Exvius on PC without the use of an emulator, since they're already in the App Store. So I stopped playing War of the Visions because it kept crashing on BlueStacks and every other emulator I've tried. So I'm looking forward to playing it again. So I'm hoping Windows 11 will allow side-loading APKs so we can play region-specific mobile games or allow Google Play Store into the mix. So by allowing side-loading APKs, we bypass the disadvantage of only the Amazon App Store present on Windows 11. So I'm not sure how they're going to implement that, but one can speculate. An unrealistic hope would also be multi-instances for re-rolling purposes. So meaning you can open multiple multiple instances of the same app, kind of like multiple windows in Windows. So that would be really cool. I'm super excited for the future of gaming. I've been playing Counterside on their PC client, and it is superb with smooth graphics thanks to 60 FPS and native PC support. So I'm hoping other games will support 60 FPS too, since there's going to be native PC support for Windows in Windows 11 via the Amazon App Store.
They can be integrated in the start. They'll be integrated in your taskbar. You can window the way Carmen showed you earlier with these apps. And for me, like one of my favorite apps is TikTok. It's true. And they're discoverable through the Microsoft Store using the Amazon App Store. It's really cool. And we use Intel Bridge technology to bring it to life so it's just seamless and smooth. And these integrated apps, I mean, it's just, what it does is it brings you into Windows from the most professional editing apps all the way through to the most casual apps you can think of when you lean back on the couch, the way Philip had showed you, to just let Windows adapt to what you do. We love this. We love that the Microsoft Store continues to be more open, inviting our developers in, inviting more apps into the store, inviting you as our customers to use any app that you love.
All right, guys, that's it for now. I'm gonna update the pinned comment on the video if I can come across more information on Android apps on Windows 11. So far, that's all the information I can get. All right, guys, if this video was helpful, if you learned something here, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos to the channel. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.